Today we are going to show a product from Amazon. Mobile phone cum tablet holder. Now my husband will explain about the product.
Here this is the product we have purchased it from Amazon, and this is mobile cum tablet holder, and this product is very flexible. It can turn in all 360 degrees. This product is very useful for all the YouTubers, for new and old YouTubers also. Those who are mostly interested in cooking channel and all types of channels. Now here are the installation steps which are given by the product. This is the product by Xstore. So I believe that this is a strong product. As I have observed this, this is the mobile holder clip as well as a tab holder also. This is also very strong, and this we have to keep it for a base. The base should be very strong, that it have to balance all the weight, mobile weight, tablet weight. So here and the wire is so flexible, so it can turn all over 360 degrees. In any direction we can aim the camera by easily turning it, and the phone holder should be placed to this flexible wire. It seems to be wire, but it's very strong wire, and this should be fixed wherever we need it. Now we are fixing it to a wooden chopper. Yes, it's very stable. And this is the wire which is very strong, and it will turn in all the directions. It can cover all the 360 degree angle, but it is very strong to hold it. And the mobile holder is also a flexible one. We can cover all the directions almost. And here I am placing a mobile to the mobile holder. The camera should be faced outward. Now it is fixed to the mobile holder. And now just we can click the camera on. We can do all the course, whatever we need, and we can shoot the course. In any direction we can turn it all around the 360 degrees. It's very flexible and it's very strong. And it's able to bear all the weight also. Not only mobile weight, it can bear a tablet also. Now we are trying to shoot out a onion. In this manner, no person is needed to hold the mobile. The mobile holder will hold the mobile, and the shot will be very clear without any shake or any disturbance. And we can place it to a book also, but it should be nicely balanced. And we can place it to a slab or floor, and we can shoot whatever we want. In any angle we can make a turn. It is very flexible. It can shoot in all the directions around 360 degrees. See, for the window also we can fix it. The window is very close to the stove, so we fix it there. So I suggest the product for all the YouTubers. Thank you.